Margie Dampion. Sister Mary Dampion was born on January 31, 1983, 43 years old, and she's from Davao. Ilocasi and Cookie. Number 4, that's Sister Mary Dampion. Number 4, my son, Sister Jovita Baison. 5, Sister Vera Vilpina.
Oh, Mirabel!
Sister 57 years old, and she's from Davao. Baking and cooking is her hobby. That's Sister Mary. Sister Jovita Baison is from Muntinlupa. Go Sister Jovita. 48 years old and her hobby is singing. That's Sister Jovita Baison. Next on the list is Sister Dulce de Guzman. Sister Dulce. 78. 47 years old and she's from Isabela. Her hobby is running and
Ay, mga taon!
watching her brand. Vlogging and watching her brand is her hobby. Or number 7 is Sister Rosana Castaneda. The 57 years old and from Ilocos Sur. Next is Sister Maria Abelia. Sister Maria Abelia, 60 years old and from Laungon. From Laungon, Sister Maria Abelia. Okay, next is Sister Venus Sarneto. Sister Venus. Her hobby is doing the 20 Filipiniana from the Philippines. Born on April 22, 1977. The Sister Venus is her hobby. Next is Marby Bartolilio. Sister Marby.
Marbay! Marbay!
Reading is her hobby. The Sister Marby Bartolilio. Next is Sister Renabel Benavista. Sister Renabel Benavista was born she's from Cagayan Valley and reading and eating what she cooks is her hobby. The Sister Renabel Benavista. Next on the list is Sister Raquel Simony. Sister Raquel was born on January 15, 1976. She's 50 years old right now and she's from the whole city. Her hobby is foodie also. Next is Sister Angeline Yap. Asan siya? Wala. Angeline, not Evelyn Yapa. It's Sister Angeline. Okay. She's not here already. Next is Sister Raquel Alter. Sister Raquel Alter was 1982. She's 43 years old and from Bataan. Her hobby is, okay, take care. She's an MMA fighter. Sister Raquel. Next on the list is Sister Maricris de la Cruz. Sister Maricris de la Cruz, where are you? No, here. Next is Sister Marceliana. Marceliana is October 6th, 1983. She's from Davao City. Her hobby is singing. Next on the list is Sister Caroline Oliera. Sister Caroline was born on October 14, 1971. 54 years old and from Batangas City. Singing is her hobby. Next is Sister Giselle Mamaril. Giselle Mamaril was born 42 years old. She's from California, Real Valley. Her hobby is singing. Soon to be bride. Next is Sister Virna Tomas. Sister Virna
Wala na, wala na.
was not here. Next is Sister Briley Dornello.
Wala na.
Sister Maribel Tapera. Sister Maribel Tapera was born on December 27, 1971. And she's from Del Pilar, Rizal. Nueva Ecija, and her hobby was cooking, and her skill is business. Wow, so many money. Give us money. Next is Sister Maria Angeli Ann Sally. Sister Angeli was born on February 23, 1980 from Bantu, Giba, Nueva Ecija, like kami dyan. 13 years old and cooking and reading is her hobby. Next is Sister Flora Tugaliwan. From Barangay, Los Fortuna Street, Iba, Iloilo. Dancing and baking is her hobby, the sister. Kailangan matitikpan yung
Bakit
baking.
mapaganito-ganito? Akala ko bunutan.
Next is Sister Melisande Reyes. Sister
Melisande.
From Hong Kong. Was born on December 15, 1974 from Barangay 8, San Agustin, Hawaii, Ilocos Norte. 57 years old. Cooking is her hobby. Eating hours.
Kung malunod niya
Next
dyan,
is
number.
Sister Hazel Villano. Hazel Villano was born on August 1, 1991. So young.
So young.
Santa Cruz, Oaxaca, Camarines Sur. 34 years old. Cooking, reading is her hobby. Next is Kati Hurnaton. Kati Hurnaton. Born on January 18, 1973. From Latutu. Baguio City. Baguio City. Baking, cooking. Next is Sister Elani Ibo. Next is Sister Joanne. Sister Joanne.
Joan! Sige na!
She cooked a very nice karaoke. Cooked a very nice. Thank you, Sister Joanne. Next, our next one is diba? Sister. Next is NJ Escalante. NJ Escalante is from here. She's not on the list, but I know her. So Sister NJ Escalante was having her scandal. That's Sister NJ Escalante. Next is
Joy.
Will Grace. Sister Will Grace, come here. Just
Joy! Anong pangalan ni Sister Joy?
her close one.
Joy, yung naka-blue, Sister Joy. Ay,
Sister Vera.
yun ang yung naka-blue. Joy, ang pangalan niya.
Yeah.
Mary. MJ din. Oh, MJ rin yun eh.
Sister Vera.
Joy naman.
Sister Vera.
Mary Joy.
Sister Vera. I know.
Joy, Joy,
Mary
Joy,
Joy
Joy.
Velasco. Velasco. Sister Mary Joy Velasco. Her dress was inspired by Sister Joanne. Sister Joanne is baking and cooking. Sister Salvation was here also. Let's give her. Sister Salvation had a red dress. Who's just not good right today? Yeah, red dress. Raymond Kumari is there. Raymond Kumari had on the dress. Listen, Dr. is awesome. Yeah, they are the one who prepare everything. Sister Rosana Marpina is also here. Sister Rosana Alonga Tabasca. So, let's give your walk here, Sister Rosana. Sister Rosana was born
Cherry Jarnes.
Now Sister Rosana is walking, going back home, but giving us Okay, Sister Jerry Burnett, you don't know, I know you come here. Sister Jerry Burnett is was rumpiest but loveliest. Sister Jerry Burnett from Quirino, so she's one of our lunch grinder who prepared everything, the food. So she's great for all the food. Sister Resi Roberto is also here. Sister Resi, come show your passion to us. Sister Resi was here, was born. I don't know also, but they are here to support always the others here. Sister Resi.
Wala na.
Sister Wilma also is here. Sister Wilma, I know you're waiting for the name, so this is it. Sister Wilma, go. Good work. Nice job, Sister Wilma. those are here can give us your nice walk right now. The two sisters having their nice dress with the Filipiniana, and I don't know if it's nice one. They are wearing the Filipiniana given by the sisters. Yes, the sisters with the marriage having our effort to make you know the gospel of Jesus Christ. Sister Jamie Mendoza is also here. Sister Jamie, where are you? Jamie? Sister Jamie Mendoza, if you're walk here. Sister Jamie, go and walk one round so that everyone can see you. Sister Jamie. Go, Sister Jamie. Sister Stella Tagliete, I can see you there on the door. Please go and walk so that everyone can see you and know you, Sister Stella. Go, Sister Stella Tagliete. Sister Stella Tagliete.
Oh.
Sister Stella. I know Sister Ivy Rose is also here. Go say walk. Sister Ivy Rose is there going outside. She don't want to walk. Sister Stella. Thank you, Sister Stella. Next on the list is Sister Sarah Mayuga. You don't know Sister President. Sarah Mayuga. Sarah Mayuga, where are you? Sister Sarah Mayuga.
Asan na sila?
Evelyn Morales. Oh, Nanay Daddy. Where's Nanay Daddy? Nanay Daddy, where are you? Nanay Daddy. Nanay Daddy. Nanay Daddy. Nanay Daddy. I'm here. Okay, let's welcome all third ward. Go on the center and do your best rock. Rampahan na. Go sisters. 1, 2, 3, go. Ano ba kayo po? Yay! Thank you very much, sisters, for making the Father's Day special to all of us. Thank you very much and see you next year.
Sayaw na sayaw.